In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code in TurboTax before completing your payment. If you want to make sure you're getting the best available discount on your TurboTax order, this process is very straightforward. The important thing is to apply the code before you finalize payment, since promo codes are usually entered on the order summary or payment screen. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the TurboTax website. Once the site loads, sign in to your account and choose the tax product you're working with. Make sure you're entering the same return and product you plan to pay for, since the promo code needs to be applied in the correct checkout flow. After you're inside your account, look to the left-hand navigation panel and go to the File or Pay section. This is typically where TurboTax guides you through the final steps of submitting your return and paying any applicable product fees. Move through the prompts until you reach the order summary or payment screen, but stop before completing the payment. On that screen, look carefully for the link that says I have a promo code. It may appear near the order total, pricing details, or payment options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page closely, because these links can sometimes be easy to miss. Once you find it, click the link to open the promo code field. Then type or paste your promotional code into the text box exactly as provided. It's a good idea to avoid adding extra spaces before or after the code, since even a small formatting issue can prevent it from working properly. After entering the code, click Apply. TurboTax should then update the pricing and reduce your total balance if the code is valid and eligible for that product. Before moving forward, double-check that the discount appears in the updated total so you can confirm it was successfully applied. If the balance doesn't change, review the code carefully for typing errors and make sure you're still on the correct payment screen. Some promo codes only work with specific products or offers, so accuracy matters here. Once you see the updated total, you're ready to continue with the payment process. That's all it takes to apply a promo code in TurboTax and make sure your discount is reflected before checkout.